Okay, it's very rainy in Gold Coast now. You can see storm is coming. It's perfect day to play chess, I guess. Especially indoor. You can see huge rain, non-stop rain, strong wind. This is like our Bond University tournament being held. Like you can see, raining. There is no coffee shoppers. They're entering into the venue. In about 10 minutes, games will be starting. You can see usual crowd here, parents, kids, preparing to play. Last instructions for the game. You can see you're entering playing hall. As I said, little girls already playing.